Greetings! Prime Day is here with the best deals of the year on Amazon products, and Jackery is joining the party with a selection of their own products on sale at a significant discount. Let's check them out.
HOBOTECH.
Note that these deals are available both on Jackery's store page and on Amazon unless otherwise noted. They did provide a 5% off discount code for viewers of the channel, but it's only valid on orders over $2,300, so I will not be factoring this discount into the final prices I'm going to tell you unless the bundle deal mentioned actually exceeds $2,300. First up, the HomePower 3600 Plus. I reviewed this model last year. It features a 3600 watt inverter with a 3584 watt hour battery expandable to 21 kilowatt hours. In my capacity test, it scored an impressive 90%. They claim it's the world's lightest and smallest 3600 watt power station at 15 by 12 by 19 inches, weighing 77 pounds. It does sport the coveted 30 amp RV hookup and can charge with up to 500 watts of solar at 60 volts with each of its two MPPT controllers for a total of 1000 watts. As for caveats, there's absolutely no 12 volt output, and it does not support split phase 240 volt output out of the box. In order to actually power your home through the breaker box with the transfer switch, you're going to need a pair of HomePower 3600s and a $200 connector box. Jackery calls this the double kit on their website. The HomePower 3600 Plus with a pair of 200 watt Jackery solar panels is on sale for $2,039 through Prime Day. Now for the biggest, baddest Jackery of them all, the Solar Generator 5000 Plus. This flagship Jackery is a real monster, and I reviewed it back in 2024. The packaging is very nice. It's compact and easy to move around for its 135-pound heft. It sports a massive 5040 watt-hour battery and a 7200 watt pure sine inverter. It's the only Jackery in existence that outputs both 120 volts and 240 volt split phase in a single unit, and it does offer battery expansion ability up to 60 kilowatt hours when paired up with their switch. It has both an online and offline UPS system, which is unique, and that means you can have any kind of equipment plugged in 24/7 and have it stay online when the main power goes out. Also unique to this model is a low voltage PV solar input that uses 8mm barrel plugs for their proprietary solar panels, and for the first and only time ever in Jackery history, a pair of standard MC4 inputs for high voltage PV. That means you can use any kind of solar panels you want on the high voltage side. They don't have to be Jackery branded. Both MPPT inputs combined offer a total of 4,000 watts of solar panel support. This feature and the 240 volt split phase operation in a single unit makes it the most used and abused Jackery in my collection, and I have virtually all the Jackery products after 7 years of reviewing them. This impressive piece of kit on both the Jackery and Amazon store page with a pair of 500 watt portable solar panels is $35.99 or $34.19 with discount. Note that not only does the 5000 Plus sport a 5-year warranty, but so do those 500 watt portable panels. That's a really rare find. Next, the Solar Generator 2000 V2 pairs a 2042 watt hour battery with a 2200 watt inverter into a package under 40 pounds. It has a 400 watt MPPT solar controller and a 20 millisecond UPS feature. It's efficient, quick to charge in under 2 hours, and sports a 5-year warranty. The Solar Generator bundle pairs the power station with two 200 watt solar panels for $11.99 on both the Jackery store and on Amazon. The HomePower 3000 is one of Jackery's newer offerings, and I haven't reviewed this one. It packs a 3072 watt hour battery with a 3600 watt inverter, a true 30 amp RV hookup, a UPS mode, dual low voltage MPPT controller supporting up to 1000 watts of solar, and is amazingly light at only 60 pounds. It also rocks Jackery's standard 5-year warranty. This is the only product in this entire list not bundled with solar panels, so you're getting just the power station for $10.99. That's 35 cents per watt hour for a new Jackery, and that's very competitive. Last up is the Solar Generator 1500 V2. This is one of Jackery's older designs that has had a major refresh in the past few years. It pairs a 1536 watt hour battery with a 2000 watt inverter, charges in just over an hour, weighs under 32 pounds, supports the Jackery app offers a pair of low voltage MPPT solar controllers supporting up to 400 watts of solar panels, a 10 millisecond UPS mode, along with basic 12 volt and USB ports. It's a solid Jackery of all trades, and the least expensive product in this list today with solar panels. If you pick it up on Amazon, the bundle deal comes with a pair of 200 watt portable panels for $9.29. If you want to spend a bit less, you can pick up the bundle on the Jackery store page with the pair of 100 watt panels for $8.99. Obviously, the better deals on Amazon as you're literally doubling your solar power. However, if you already have Jackery solar panels, the $8.99 deal will save you a few bucks. So that's it for the Prime Day deals from Jackery. Of course, I'm going to provide links in the description to these Prime Day deals along with the relevant discount codes. I'm also going to pin them in a comment. The link to Jackery's Prime Day sales page is also up here on screen, along with a QR code that you can scan if you're watching me on TV. It'll take you on over to the Jackery Prime Day store page where you can check out these amazing deals. Using the provided links does keep HOBOTECH online and bringing you these amazing offers. It also helps pay for Odin's geriatric kitty vet visits, so we both appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Until next time.
Odin commands you to like and subscribe, and clean my litter box.